Welcome to our review of the TORRAS iPhone 15 Pro Max case. This case is designed to provide hands-free, multi-angle viewing while allowing you to charge your phone wirelessly uninterrupted. Enjoy fast and secure magnetic stability. Enjoy fast and secure magnetic stability with our pioneering Halbach magnet array, providing 60% stronger attraction than official magnetic cases. With 19N powerful magnetic force, your phone can snap onto any magnetic accessories effortlessly. Get total peace of mind with mill-grade certified protection, featuring TORRAS X-Shock air cushioning structure and highly resilient TPU material. This case offers beyond military-grade protection to ensure your phone is covered on all sides. The flexible stand withstands over 30,000 rigorous folding tests, constructed with high-carbon steel hinges for long-lasting durability. Enjoy hands-free, multi-angle viewing for watching TV shows or having video calls. The kickstand seamlessly folds into the back without adding any extra bulk, with precise hinge placement and space-saving design ensuring smooth operation and structural integrity. With its slim matte finish and translucent black design, the TORRAS iPhone 15 Pro Max case is both stylish and functional. Get yours today and experience the ultimate in phone protection and convenience. Whether you're looking for protection, convenience, or style, the TORRAS iPhone 15 Pro Max case has got you covered. With its advanced features and durable design, this case is perfect for anyone looking to protect their phone and enhance their mobile experience. The TORRAS iPhone 15 Pro Max case is designed to provide a seamless user experience with features like wireless charging and magnetic stability. Get yours today and experience the difference for yourself. TORRAS iPhone 15 Pro Max case, the perfect accessory for your phone. With its advanced features, durable design, and stylish look, this case is sure to exceed your expectations. Order now and experience the ultimate in phone protection and convenience.